Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve mobile app development with Flutter, beginner guide. First, install Flutter by downloading it from the official Flutter website. Extract the downloaded zip file and place it in your preferred location. Next, set up your environment variables to include the Flutter SDK path. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the Flutter doctor command to check for any dependencies you need to install. Make sure you install the necessary development tools like Android Studio or Visual Studio Code. Once the required tools are installed, create a new Flutter project by running flutter create project_name. Navigate into your project directory using cd project_name. Now, open your project in your preferred IDE. Start with the main.dart file, where you'll find a basic Flutter app template. Familiarize yourself with the widget tree, which is the building block of any Flutter app. Customize the app by adding new widgets like text, button, and image. Explore Flutter packages by visiting the pub.dev website to find useful libraries that can enhance your app. Add these packages to your project by updating the pubspec.yaml file and running Flutter pub-get. Utilize Flutter's hot reload feature for instant updates while coding. Test your app on different devices using emulators or physical devices to ensure compatibility. Learn about state management solutions like Provider, Block, or Riverpod for better app organization. Implement responsive design practices to make sure your app looks great on both small and large screens. Keep your code clean and well organized for easier maintenance. Review Flutter's documentation regularly for updates and new features. Stay active in the Flutter community through forums and social media for support and inspiration. Experiment with creating custom widgets and animations to enhance user experience. Finally, publish your app to Google Play Store or Apple App Store following the respective guidelines. By following these steps, you will improve your mobile app development skills with Flutter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.